students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe. Students, today we will do the question answer of lesson number 9, Return Home via London. गांधी जी जब वापस घर आए लंदन होते हुए तो उससे रिलेटेड ये लेसन है. So we will start question answer. Students, here the question answer of chapter number 9, Returns Home via London. Now question number 1 is, what lead to a wordy warfare between Gandhiji and Kallenbach? Answer, Gandhiji along with his wife and his German friend Kallenbach sailed for England. One day Kallenbach was watching the sea with the help of binoculars, which he was greatly fond of. Gandhiji said to Kallenbach that the costly binoculars were inconsistent with the ideals which they were trying to realize. Kallenbach agreed but did not like parting with the binoculars. Gandhiji proposed that as those binoculars had become a subject of dispute between both, it would be better if Kallenbach threw them into the sea. Kallenbach agreed to this and gave the binoculars to Gandhiji, who threw them into the sea. And so the dispute between them ended. Here students, here we complete our answer number first कि what led to a wordy warfare between Gandhiji and Kallenbach, कि उनके जो वर्डी वारफेयर था वो गांधीजी और कैलनबेक के बीच में वो क्या था. Question number 2, what experiences had Gandhiji when he undertook a countrywide tour? Answer, Gandhiji's public work earned him high esteem abroad as well as in India. Like an ordinary citizen, he started his countrywide tour in third class. He went to Kolkata and Rangoon. At Kolkata, he addressed the people and advised them to be men of character and be religious. At the time of Kumbh fair, he visited Haridwar. He was pained to see insanitary conditions in the town. Gandhiji also went to South. At one place in the South, he expressed his grief over the miserable conditions of the Harijans in the country. At another place, he said that although English is a good language, yet this should not be the reason for discarding local languages. In his speeches made during the tour, he emphasized on the importance of spinning and weaving and urged the people to learn both of them. Question number 3, while in England, why did Gandhiji ask Indians to support the English in their war effort? Answer, at the time of war, the Indians wanted to utilize this opportunity provided by the war to get the country freed, rather than supporting the English in the war. However, Gandhiji did not want to exploit his situation or to indulge in any sort of bargaining. So, he decided to hold back the demands of the Indians till the time the war ended and urged the Indians to support the English in their war effort. Question number 4, why did the government of India not allow Kallenbach to come to India? Being his friend, Kallenbach also wanted to accompany Gandhiji to India. But as he was a German and Germany was England's enemy in the war, the British government of India refused him the passport and he was not allowed to come to India. Question number 5. How did Gandhiji cure himself? While in England, Gandhiji had pain in his ribs. At that time, Gandhiji took only a fruit diet consisting of groundnuts, bananas, lemon, olive oil, tomatoes and grapes. He did not consume cereals and milk. The fruit diet gradually improved his condition. So students, here we complete our chapter number 9, Return Home via London. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook.